Hey guys, here with another Forza episode, and today, I'm sorry if there's no audio, I'm just using my headset to listen to the game, just because I like doing it. I'll turn up the volume. My Vulcan. This thing sounds epic. Let's see. Okay, it's pretty loud. Let's see, what do we got? Ooh, this Aston has potential. Let's see. I could travel to Blizzard Mountain, but I mean, still have my championships and all to do here. Plus a few exhibitions from all different sorts of stuff. So there's that. I can do Blizzard Mountain. I probably will do that. I'll record Blizzard Mountain, and I'll just work here offline, like off the camera, for you, so you don't have to worry about all that's going on here. You can enjoy all the new Blizzard Mountain stuff. I'll do this, actually, let's just do it, have to do that. You're right, guess what I'm gonna do? Pachoink! And now I'm on the runway. Like, why? Traveled to Blizzard Mountain. I bought it like a night or two ago. Or like 2 days ago, so let's enjoy Blizzard Mountain. I haven't even opened it yet, so this is the first time that you'll see me react and your reaction to it. I should have taken something better.
Hey Nathan, ready for a change of scenery? Warren's just finished prepping the car you'll be driving. And because I'm sure you're eager to get going, I've organized some transportation, courtesy of Horizon, of course. Wait, you're not afraid of heights, are you?
Oh God. I'm being dropped out of a helicopter. Oh Lord. It's just like that one, is that the same chopper from when we did the Penhall, showcase? I wonder. I wonder if it's that same one. If it is, then holy crap, that's awesome. And a great notice. And when you do the train, it's from, pretty sure it's at Wales. So you're looking at like a kind of European train car. Train coming, so interesting touch that probably didn't get noticed. Okay, when the heck am I going? Come on. There we go. Ooh. Like that thing ain't gonna run away. Like, you really need to watch out, man. I'm gonna get hit with a freaking tree if you don't steer right, man. There's like plenty of things that could go wrong with this that could lead to my death. Uh-oh. Oh my God, I heard the chain rattling. There's a satellite over me. Isn't this restricted airspace? My controller's vibrating.
Visibility is low, but this is the spot. Let me know when you're ready to drop.
Oh my God. That's a destroying of the suspension.
See you at the bottom.
Let's do this epic style. This is after all a drift car. It's a rally drifter. There's another one. Hoonigan. Who the heck is Hoonigan? Not Hooligan, but Hoonigan. It's a random one. Randomly put on the back. Okay, so there's 50 roads. I can drive all of them.
You got company.
Yeah, no duh. It does look like I have company. This is like one of the first times I've seen like actually done a true Forza expansion for Horizons, the Horizon ones. Okay, so we have a Baldwin like the one I bought. I'm surprised they don't get pissed when I hit them. I guess they're fellow millionaires, fellow like expensive guys. Oh, okay, I guess they don't care at all. Even if the other one hits them. Or if I do that. And this. That was actually pretty epic. Oh god. That's not epic. Ouch. Okay, hey, we're in the lead. Oh lord. I'm not even on the track anymore. Help.
No tires should just about hold up on that frozen lake, boss. As long as it stays frozen.
What?
Boss, did you just... I think a child did that.
If you heard that, that was actually pretty funny.
There you are, one piece. Never doubted you for a second.
I seriously don't believe that. I'm wearing a sweater and a beanie hat. Welcome to base camp.
All right, boss. While we get everything set up...
I already own all of these.
Which one of these speaks to you?
I even own this. Oh, actually, it's an upgrade. I'll buy the Subaru.
Nice choice. I'll set it up with snow tires before you take it out.
I'll just have 2 Subarus, whatever. I can't even sell it because we're all... Oh, I should have taken the yellow one. I should have taken the other one.
Come on, man!
Car.
Come on!
The frick? Oh, what the crap? So not only that, okay. I can use all of my cars. It's now winter, snow tires, snow tires, snow tires. Hey, what else has snow tires on it? Okay, that does, but Oh, yes, I love that one. I've been wanting to try this International. That one's upgraded a little bit, but it should be fine. The Renegade should have snow tires. Come on now. Okay, so that's the exact same. That's one, okay. That's stupid. Why does that have snow tires on it? That's so dumb. Okay. Why does this have snow tires? Why? Why does that have snow tires? Okay. I'll just drive this. I haven't driven this yet.
Hey, boss. You sure you don't want me to put snow tires on that for you?
Okay, well. Cars. Let me see. What do I want to fit with snow tires? Okay, let's go Ford. Fit this with snow tires. This car already has it, so let's just try this one. I've already driven this one. The Spaniard's gonna be fun.
Hey Nathan, welcome to Blizzard Mountain. This is King of the Mountain, a tournament to crown Horizon's best driver on snow and ice. Since you've got more than enough fans already, we'll be awarding stars instead. Earn stars to progress through each round of the tournament. Win enough and you'll reach the Kingmaker. Win that and the crown is yours.
What's he gonna say? Okay, random. Okay. Go random. I don't know how comfortable this car is.
Turn left. Turn left. 400 yards.
God. What do you want now? Okay. So, I won't do the video today to do the race. I'll make you wait. So, I'll just drive there so you get an idea of what it's like. Obviously different from regular Forza, that's for sure. Well, those who are anxious will have to wait.